All right, so those are officials from the clinical offices together with the CS for Health, Cleopa Milo. As you can see, they are signing that return to work formula that will see an end to the 3-week strike that has been ongoing, really kind of paralyzing some services in the hospitals here in the country. Of course, you can also see Josephat Nanok, who's the chair of the Council of Governors, also being part of that signing of that return to work formula. And as you've heard, there are quite some positive conversations there about just how they can also make life better with regard to increasing salaries and improving working conditions for the clinical officers who really play a vital role with hospital operations in our public hospitals. Remember that, like I mentioned, they have been on strike for the last 3 weeks, but today that comes to an end as they finally signed that return to work formula. Remember, one of the other things that really aggrieved the clinical officers was that they were not too happy with the job evaluation that was done by the Salaries and Remuneration Commission. They said that that job evaluation was unfair, and therefore today at least there's some hope as they sign that return to work formula. Remember that on the other hand, nothing seems to be on course with the nurses' strike. We're now talking about months since they left their workstations, and that still continues to go on. Really no end in sight for the nurses' strike. But as you can see, some good news for patients who've been lacking some services that are offered by the clinical officers, who really also play a vital role together with the nurses in the running of hospital operations. So that has come to a close. The CS for Health, Cleopa Mailu, the COG is represented by Josephat Nanok, and the clinical officers officials also present there.